To add numbers on an abacus, we push up the numbers that we need. So if I had 4 and I wanted to add another 2 to it, I can just push up another 2 and I get an answer of 6, which I can count by counting off my beads. If I had 1 and I wanted to add 5 to it, I can add 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I can count my answer by counting the number of beads that are up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 plus 5 is 6. Suppose I had 4 and I wanted to add 7 to it. I do it like this. 4. Now I want to add 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I can read off my answer of 11. Let me do that again and explain what happened at that place where I moved 2 bars at the same time. So I started with 4, and then I counted up. I've got to do 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I want to do another one, 6. There's no red beads left, which means that I have to shift up an orange one, and at the same time, I shift down all the red ones because this orange one here represents 10. So when I had 9 and I added 1, I got 10. And then I've got to finally add 7th one to get 11. With a little bit of practice, this becomes really simple. Let's do a harder one. Let's do 5,555, and let's add 6,789 to that. So I'm going to start over on the ones column. I want to add 6, 7, 8, 9 to it. So I'm going to be adding 9 to the reds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now I want to add 8 to the orange. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I want to add 7 to the yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And finally, I want to add 6 to the green, the 6,000s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I can read off my answer, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Or in words, that's 12,344. So when I add 6,789 to 5,555, my answer is 12,344. What you will have noticed while I was doing this is it didn't actually matter what place I was up to. I simply had to take the number of that unit, whether it was units, ones or tens or hundreds, and add that many beads on that rail. And when I ran out of beads, I shifted one up on the next column along. But it didn't actually matter what place I was in. I did the same procedure every time. And that's what makes this method so powerful.